then it is called as abstract class, right? The simple definition of abstract class is nothing but if we are declaring a class with a keyword saying abstract, then it is called as abstract class, right? So why you are explaining this right now, sir? Okay, why am I explaining? I have said today's topic is about Java interface. Why we need this abstract class concept here? Because abstract class is similar to Java interfaces, right? Abstract class is similar to Java interface. It is very similar to abstract class, right? So that is what I am giving an introduction to this abstract class now. Okay, see this abstract class, generally abstract class, as I said, if you are declaring a class with the keyword abstract, then it is called abstract class. Okay, inside the abstract class, what you guys will do, you will give methods, right? We will represent the methods. What is that? It may be abstract methods, it may be non-abstract methods, right? It may have abstract methods and non-abstract methods, right? So this is what about declaring the methods in abstract class. Okay, let me repeat. Hope you guys able to follow me. Let me repeat what is abstract class. To be very simple, if you are declaring a class with abstract keyword, then it is called abstract class, right? So inside this abstract class, after declaring the abstract class, okay, how we can declare that? Saying abstract, then your name, abstract name, right? Abstract and abstract name. Inside the open and close curly braces, we will mention some methods, isn't it? We will mention some methods. It may be abstract and non-abstract methods, right? This is all about abstract class. Okay, now we will move to the next topic. Okay, we will move to the next topic saying what is the difference between this abstract class and our today's topic Java interface. Okay, I have given you an introduction about abstract class. Now we are moving to our topic Java interface. Before going to Java interface, I said Java interface is similar to abstract class. Okay, even though we are having certain difference. Okay, we have some difference between this abstract class and Java interface, right? Let me explain you the difference between the abstract class and Java interface, right? So the very first difference between this abstract class and Java interface is, as I said, in abstract class we have both abstract methods and non-abstract methods, whereas in this Java interface we are allowing, okay, in this Java interface can have only abstract methods. Okay, it has only abstract methods, no any other non-abstract methods in the Java interface. Okay, this is the first difference. Okay, the second difference, how you will declare an abstract class? Using the abstract keyword, right? You will use abstract keyword, whereas in the Java interface you will use a keyword saying interface. Okay, hope you guys able to follow me. In the abstract class we are using a keyword saying abstract. Okay, in the Java interface we are going to use a keyword to declare a class with keyword interface. Okay, this is the second difference, right? Then the third one is,
I think Hari sir, you can present the screen, sir.
no, coding part I will explain on the screen.
Okay,
Just
sir.
I am giving
Yeah, fine.
explain.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Then the third point is about to inherit the classes. Okay, to inherit the classes in abstract class, what we will use? We will use a keyword saying extends, right? We will use a keyword saying extends to inherit the properties or to inherit the base class. Okay, we have a base class. To inherit the properties of the class, we will use a keyword saying extends, okay, which is applicable in abstract class, right? Whereas in Java interface we will use a keyword saying implements. Okay, we will using a keyword saying implements to inherit the properties of base class or to inherit the declared classes in the Java, right? This is what the third difference between the abstract class and Java interface, right? Then the last one is, in the abstract class, we have some access specifiers like members, right? Public, private, protected and all, right? In the abstract class, we will use only private, protected, extra, right? We will use whatever the access specifier we are having in the Java. That is all applicable in abstract class. Okay, whereas in the members of Java interface are public. Okay, the members of a Java interface are public by default. Okay, hope you guys are able to understand what is this abstract class and what is the topic is about Java interface. Okay, let me repeat you the things again. Okay, the very first thing is abstract class is nothing but if you are declaring a class with a keyword saying abstract, then it is called abstract class. It is a very simple definition of abstract class. Okay, whereas this Java interface is declared using a keyword interface, then it is called Java interface. This is a very simple definition, okay, to understandable purpose. Okay, I said Java interface is similar to abstract class. We have slight difference between the abstract class and Java interface. The very first difference what we have seen, in abstract class we have abstract and non-abstract methods. We can use both abstract and non-abstract methods, whereas in the Java interface we can use only abstract methods, nothing else, right? The second point is about keyword. What are the keyword we are going to use to declare the abstract class? As I said in the first, to declare class we are using abstract. In abstract class, to declare a class in interface, we are using a keyword saying interface. Okay. Then the third point is to extend. We are using extend the class properties. To extend the class properties, we are using to extend the properties of the base class. Okay, don't confuse. To inherit the class, to inherit the base class, we are using extends keyword in abstract class. Okay. In the meanwhile, for Java interface, we are using a keyword implements, right? To extend, to inherit the properties of declared class, we are using implements as a keyword in Java interface. Okay. The members of abstract classes, private, protected, etc. The members of Java interface are public by default, right? This is all about abstract class and Java interface. Okay. So far we have discussed about what is abstract class, okay, what is Java interface, and what is the differences between abstract class and the today's topic Java interface. Okay. Then why we need a Java interface? Okay. We are coming to the next topic. Okay. Why we need a Java interface? We have a superclass in the top, right? Then that superclass is derived into class A and class B, right? The superclass is derived into two classes, class A and class B. Okay, assume that in a pictorial representation, in the top I am having superclass. The superclass is derived into two classes. On the left side I am mentioning class A, on the right side I am mentioning class B. Okay, if at all, if we are trying to inherit the properties of class A and class B, okay, don't confuse. First I said I am having a base class. Based on this superclass, I am inheriting two classes. One is class A and class B. Okay, this is my first scenario. First scenario is about I am having a base class, which is nothing but superclass. Okay, then I have a derived class. My inheritance is consist of what? A base class and derived class, right? So my point is fulfilled here. The first one I am having a base class, which is superclass. I am deriving into two parts. One is class A and class B. Okay, so my inheritance is having a base class and derived class. Now I am trying to inherit the properties of class A and class B. Okay, and I am deriving a new class saying class C. Okay, from base class superclass I have derived class A and class B. With the class A and class B, I am deriving a new class C. Okay, that is not possible in the inheritance. This is what the problem in the inheritance, because a derived class is from a base class only. As you all know, a derived is not supporting multiple inheritance. Okay, ambiguity is nothing but is it not clear? Ambiguity is nothing but is it not clear, or it is not clearly mentioned. Okay, as I said, how I am telling it is not mentioned clearly. I have given you the example, right? A class is derived into class A and class B. I'm deriving a new class based on the class B and class C, whereas it is not clearly mentioned that class C is exactly where it is derived. Okay, where it is derived. This is what the problem statement in the multiple inheritance. Okay, to overcome this problem, we are using Java interface. Okay, multiple inheritance are possible using Java interface. Right? This is the answer why we need a Java interface. Okay, hope you guys are able to understand what is the Java interface, and to overcome what the problem, to overcome the multiple inheritance problem in Java, we are using Java interface. Let me explain you again why we need a Java interface. We need Java interface to overcome the problem of multiple inheritance. What is the problem with multiple inheritance? Assume that we have a superclass in the top, okay, based on that superclass and derived into two classes. One is class A and class B, right? If we are trying to inherit the properties of class A and class B into a new class.
Sir, Hari sir, sorry for the interruption. Students are asking in PPT, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Students are asking through PPT, sir. They can't able to listen. Sir, Hari sir, sorry for the interruption.
Okay.
Students are asking in PPT, sir. Students are asking through PPT, sir. They can't able to listen. Sir, Hari sir, sorry for the interruption.
Okay.
Students are asking. Students are asking.
Hello, sir. You are there?
Yeah, yes, sir. You can present the screen, sir.
Okay. So actually, PPT is not available, sir. Just I'm explaining the concept and will run through the code. If students are requesting the PPT from my side for this particular topic, means after completing this session, let me share the PPT, sir,
Yeah,
with
okay.
you, so that you can share with your students.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Right. Thank you, sir. PPT is not available, sir. Just I'm explaining the concept and will run through the code. If students are requesting the PPT from my side for this particular topic, means after completing this session, let me share the PPT with you, so that you can share with your students. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Hari sir, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, you can proceed the session, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. So hope you guys are able to understand what is this Java interface and why we need the Java interface. So for that we have given a slight difference between the abstract class and Java interface, and I have given you the problem statement of multiple inheritance. To overcome this problem, what we are using? Java interface. So this is what the concept behind Java interface. Okay, still you are not able to understand what does the Java interface exactly means, right? Let me give you a real-time example of Java interface. Okay, assume that we all know about airplane, right? Airplane. We have airplane. Assume that airplane is my base class. Okay, that base class is derived into two classes. I am deriving that base class airplane into two classes, right? The first one is passenger airplane. That is my one derived class. The second derived class is cargo airplane. Okay, I'm having my base class, which is nothing but airplane. My base class airplane is deriving into two different classes. One is passenger airplane and the second one is cargo airplane. Cargo airplane is nothing but it will accept only luggages. Okay, whatever the luggages we have, that only it is. Okay, this both derived class, this both two derived class represent its own properties. Right? If luggage airplane is accepting only luggages means, whereas the passenger airplane will accept only the passengers, not the luggages. Right? Now, if you want a plane, you want a new airplane with both these properties. Okay,
Plus 350 கட்டிருக்கான் சார் 350 பேக்கேஜ் அது நான்
this passenger airplane.
ஆமா சார் 3700 plus 350 எக்ஸாம் பண்ணா 4050 வந்துரும் சார்.
We need a concept saying Java interface. Okay?
Oh.
In multiple inheritance, it is not explained clearly. This new airplane is derived from the passenger airplane or a cargo
சரி எனக்கு இவன்
airplane or the base class of
அஜித் பே பண்ணிருக்கேன் சார் அது அஜித் குமார் 35000 கட்டிருக்காங்க எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன்
in Java
அந்த அக்கவுண்ட்க்கு
multiple
அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன்
inheritance or multiple interfaces.
இல்ல நான் கட்டணும் சார் எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கான் என்ன என்னோட
multiple interfaces
காசு
something
அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க
that derived class. Already we have a derived class.
இல்ல நான் அந்த அக்கவுண்ட்க்கு
Both derived class and we are going to construct a new class. Okay, we are going to construct a new class.
அந்த SBI
commercial airplane.
இல்லனா நீங்க சொல்லுங்க இந்த அக்கவுண்ட்ல அனுப்பிச்சிடுங்க.
I'm just creating a new airplane saying commercial airplane. Okay. How it is possible? With all
நீங்க
the
அனுப்புங்க
properties of
நான்
this both derived class. What is my both derived class here? Airplane class, passenger